Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, what's good in your hoodie? It's your girl, ArieNickole. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So right now I'm doing zigzag parts, and as you can see, I am pre-sectioning her hair using rubber bands and stuff. And I didn't really go into detail on how to do parts because this isn't a tutorial, but there are plenty of videos that guided me into doing this hairstyle, like, because it was my first time doing it. I had no clue on what to do. But as you can see, I'm just doing the zigzag parts, and yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I finished doing all the parts, and right now I'm taking down like some of the rubber bands and stuff because she said she wanted them tighter. She has like really fine hair and it's really long, and she was just like, look, I'm gonna need these to be as tight as you can. Like, I don't care if they hurt because I need them to last. So I'm like, I got you, girl. So I'm just putting product on the hair, and then we're going to grab this free trust braiding hair, pre-stretched. It was 28 inches, I believe, on the color 4, I believe. And yeah, we're just gonna start braiding. If you guys don't know how to braid, there's plenty of tutorials on that as well on YouTube, but if you want me to show you guys, just leave a comment down below. Also, I am tucking her hair because her hair is black and this is like a brown, so I started tucking her hair, and when you braid, obviously you can't really see her black hair. Alright, so I just continue to do the same thing over and over as you guys see in the video. But to clarify the methods that I use the rubber band methods for gripping, and then for the parting method I use basically the zigzag method. And if you go on YouTube and look up how to do puzzle box braids, you'll understand what I mean by the zigzag method, because there's other methods and like their parts be looking like plus signs, and then there's some that looks like what I have in the video. So yeah, you feel me? But yeah, that's all I'm doing. this is the finished look. She was very happy with how her hair turned out, and she was like, yeah girl, I'm gonna recommend you to some friends. I'm like, go ahead girl. But yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out myself. It was my first time doing it, and I think I did a pretty good job. So please comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to press that notification bell.